So this is a grass bag with holder. The way you set, this is used to take all of the clipping glass and store it in. How do you use it? You put it down and then you use one edge of the groove, like that. You use one edge of that groove and then you slide it on. The other would come on like that. And then the same for the other end. You use one end, you put it on, and then you stack it. Same for this one. And then you hold it from here, and then you come to the back and where we put the mulching holder. You put it up, and then if you see these two holders, you put it there, and then you have to. And then all of the grass that was in the mulching holder will come into here. And then you leave it down like that. And when you don't use it, you take it up. You take the groove out. You hold it, and then you put it up. You take the groove out and put that down.